Hello, everybody. Um, Good afternoon. My name is Paul Atkin Otoye, and my topic of service product, healthcare marketing product or service that I'll be talking about today is, excuse me, radiography and radiographers. Some of the things I'll be talking about is what radiography is, what it's about, who are radiographers, what do they do, what is radiography all about, some different forms of radiography, some of the type of products, the placements, opportunities of expansion or development, promotion, target markets, and the different types of equipments that we have out there. Okay, let's begin. So, what is radiography? Radiography is defined as an imaging technique using X-rays to view the internal form of an object, of a person or body part. How does it work necessarily? It uses beams of X-ray, which is a form of electromagnetic radiation produced by an X-ray generator, and it projects this radiation or X-ray onto the object, and when this X-ray penetrates the solid object, the picture comes back from the exposure and reveals the internal structure of the object. So I was talking earlier about the different forms of radiography. We have the screening test, we have the X-rays, the CT scan, and MRI, which is one of the more famous type of radiography out there. So, the product of radiography. The product is the imaging services as well as the personnel that provides them. So radiography as a whole is not just the equipment, it's also the act of taking a scan or picture or x-ray of a body part, so to speak. Radiographers are responsible for taking clear images so that the radiologist can make an accurate interpretation. Radiographers are also responsible for the comfort and safety of a patient. We should not get confused of radiographers and radiologists. They have two different job descriptions. So radiographers are responsible for taking the pictures. Radiologists are responsible for interpreting those images and giving a proper assessment to the patient. Part of the product of radiography comes digital radiography. Digital radiography equipment has transformed the way many healthcare facilities perform X-ray imaging, with significant benefits in the quality of the image and the patient care. A lot of hospitals are experiencing patient volumes, and they use digital radiography equipment as a natural fit for gaining much needed productivity that can deliver a rapid return on their investment. So we talk about the placement. So as a radiographer, you must decide what you want your practice to be. So this comes in terms of branding, how you want to place your practice. Do you want to be the least expensive for an MRI or CT scan, or are you that practice that's always trying to produce the best in the latest technology? It's very important for placement because it gives you the opportunity to, expand your horizons as a radiology practice, so to speak. And then we have the promotion. Now this goes in parts of the radiographer, so to speak. Remember, my topic is radiography and the radiographers. So you have a lot of advancement opportunities in radiography. As a radiographer, you can be proactive. You can tell people what you do by the services you provide. Most of the radiography tests that are done are based on referrals. So if you go to a doctor and he feels like you need to get a x-ray of your chest done, he's going to refer you to a radiography clinic, for so to speak. A lot of private practice or radiography offices are contracted with payers, and sometimes a lot of radiographers work in a hospital. So the target market for radiography and radiographers are the patients who need these scans the most. Um, Also, they have the payers, people who, like the insurance companies and things of that nature. Um, the referring physicians, you have the cancer patients who go through a lot of scanning, also used as a form of treatment for them. Um, and then you have the opportunities. Um, the digital radiographers is one of the best opportunity, or one of the new opportunities of radiography. As I mentioned earlier, it's a new efficient way of radiography. Um, it's a lot of ways you can distinguish yourself from the competition. Um, you make sure you maintain relationships with referral companies, and it's also a good way to track where most of your volumes are coming from. So these are some of the new advancement of the radiography equipment out here. So you have the Luminous DRF Max. It's a 2-in-1 inch remote control system. It gives you the advantage of digital fluoroscopy and radiography in one system. It produces sharper images and it's safer. And then the next one, you have the YCO Max. Is the most direct, lighter and thinner equipment. Also a digital radiography solution. And the last one, we have the some of the strength. Uh, as I mentioned earlier, you can use it for a lot of different things for dental mammogram. The price is decent in the area of expertise and where you work as well. It's a lot of advancement opportunity based on the type of system that you're using. So that's basically my uh, video on radiography and radiographers. Thank you very much for watching.